Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to restore your Cash App account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have it on your mobile phone, what you want to do is open up the App Store to download it. So go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, and after opening it up you want to open up the search bar. So you open up the search bar, search for Cash App and find the application. By installing the application, once you open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can get started logging in. So you'll be greeted by this home page right here where you can enter in your phone or email, so you can go ahead and log in with whatever options you prefer, either with your number or whichever option you want. And now guys, there are two options we can do. So either you know your login info, so you can go ahead and log in normally to your account and it's going to be restored. If you do not know your login info, you'll be stuck at this page right here. So what you need to do to be able to recover your account is click the button in the main page. As you can see in the upper right corner, you have a question mark. So in the question mark in the upper right corner, by clicking on it, it's going to enable us to go and select that we need help logging in. Either we forgot our email or we forgot our password. Doesn't matter guys, you're going to say that you need help logging in, and it's going to take you through the steps that you need to complete to go ahead and restore your account if you forgot how to get into it. So go ahead and follow the steps, provide all the info that you have, get in contact with the support, and they're going to go and help you restore your account. And basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.